what each of these things are for? I know you know some of them. Because there's no...
Like this is the mantra from the Ganapati Upanishad.
Yes, and this one?
This is a mantra that appears in Rudra at the end of the first.
That's how I know it.
Yeah, and this one appears at the end of Rudra, and that's another mantra for Lord Shiva. These are for both Lord Shiva. They appear there, and I don't know where they're from.
Fountain of wisdom.
Can I write on this?
It's yours.
Okay. This one is the Shanti mantra for Taittiriya Upanishad. So this is Sahanavavati.
Which is what?
The one that we chant at the beginning of
Oh,
every
yeah.
This I don't know. This I don't know. We studied this a long time ago, but
Yeah, I went through it today and I know so many of these that are from where?
this one is for Samaveda Chandogya. This one what we chant at the end of this. I don't know. This one, when we do Mundaka and all the Atharva Veda Upanishads. Like Mundaka, Mundakya, all those.
Right now,
The one that we're doing is also this.
Yes.
And
We're on page... The back of page 5, which is page 6.
I wanted to ask you about one.
Oh.
So is Laura, she likes chanting class?
She had a gig today. So
Huh?
She had work today,
Okay.
tonight. I know, she was moaning about that. Very fact.
And
Oh,
what
to be
is-
two places at once.
What is it that you are all holding in your hands?
we found the old Vedic chanting
Oh, you did?
thing,
Oh, okay.
the packet.
Very nice. To that you can add these 3 things you can give and share amongst yourself. It's also in the book. Namaste to everyone. It's all one packet till it is, 3 fourths.
This all over this one.
I have kept it, back and forth like this. See how it is? Come here.
So
Bring it all back here, please. Please bring it all back here. The reason it is folded up like that is so that you can distinguish one packet.
Oh,
From
yes,
the
I
other,
see some.
yeah.
I thought they were. Oh,
Yeah.
this is
So-
one.
No, that's also not one. This is all one. Yeah, not here.
Oh,
Yeah.
like this.
That's why it is kept folded up. Please share
Oh.
here.
Okay.
Om
Sahana Bhavatu,
Sahana
Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam
Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Yeah, chanting. This is the first of the 4 chanting classes we are going to have. And there are 2 kinds of chanting. One is Vedic chanting, and that has various kinds of notes, tones, and specifically Udatta, Anudatta and Swarita. Udatta high tone, Anudatta low tone and Swarita like a double tone which is high. We'll see all that. We'll see examples of all that. And meanwhile, you can, if you haven't done so already, you can download the thing called chanting. The last, there is one somewhere here called chanting. Do you see that? Do people see the chanting file? I'm not able to locate it, but it is here. Yeah, here it is. Underneath Kaivalya Upanishad, chanting. Yeah, and that you can download if you haven't done that. And so there are two kinds of chanting, as I said. One is Vedic, which has certain tones, and that is not negotiable. Just because I feel like chanting it in a certain way, just because I feel like singing the Gayatri mantra, it's not an option. Mantra is supposed to be chanted, and there has to be a specific shuddhata, a purity of uchcharana. Because the tones and the pronunciation, they together they give a certain nada, a certain effect on the body, on the surroundings. Adi Bhautika, Adi Daivika, Adhyatmika, they produce, they dispel all kinds of disturbances, and they have a healing effect. So therefore, it is non-negotiable. You can't just chant as you like. You have to chant as it is stated. And our style of chanting, there are many styles of chanting. Our style is to do with the Krishna Yajurveda. So, mostly the chanting is going to be done according to the rules of the Krishna Yajurveda. And so that is basically what it is. There is also Samaveda chanting. Come forward. Yeah. There is also Samavedic chanting, which is very beautiful, but also quite difficult to learn because it is extremely musical and it requires a lot of study. And so all this, the tones also help the people to commit the Vedas to memory. That is why it is all in the forms of tones up and down. And this way they could commit to memory, and they would know which comes what, which mantra comes after that. And when the chapter ends, there is a certain kind of a note, and the beginning of the chapter is always with Om. So like this, before they did not have all the Vedas written down. So therefore they had certain tonal differences to show which Veda it is coming from, and whether this is the beginning of the chapter, middle of the chapter, end of the chapter. That prevails till this day. Till today, it is all committed to memory. Even the swaras are memorized very beautifully. And when I learned the chanting, we were not allowed to bring books into the classroom. No books, nothing to look at. Just hear and follow. You hear and follow. You don't rely on the written text or the digital text. This is what is called Karna Parampara. So that is one kind of chanting we'll be studying, a little bit of that. And then we will also be studying some stotras, shlokas that help us to be absorbed. It is a form of prayer, and that help us to sort of get a sense of the different kinds of meters in existence, and also the different kinds of chanting tunes that can be applied to the various meters, and how to look at that. Okay, so we'll be doing that. So let us we'll start with Ganesha. We'll start with do you have that Vedic chanting here? Yeah, if you haven't, please go get it. And you can open to page 6, not there. There you open to wherever there is Gananantva. Did you find that? Yeah, first page. So for the people online it will be the 6th page, the top of the 6th page. And we always start with, with the invocation to Lord Ganesha. We start with invoking the Lord. Why? Because we don't want any obstacles in our study. And since we don't want any obstacles in the study, we invoke Bhagavan's grace for removing all the obstacles. Okay? Very simple mantra. It is to the Lord in the form of the one who removes all obstacles. Ganapatim Havamahe. We invoke Ganapati, Kavim Kavinam, the one who can see into the future, and the one who is who is the first adored one. And we invoke this Lord to come and sit and bless our listening, bless our hearing, and bless our chanting. Okay, so that is basically in short the things. And I want you to look at this mantra with me, and then what do we have? We have a line under the A, correct? In both English and the Devanagari, we have a line, a horizontal line under the Actually, the swaras are always for vowels. So even though it is under the ga, if you are reading Devanagari, it is meant for the Okay? Yeah. And then over Gananam, you see 2 vertical lines. And then again, you see 1 vertical line over the that follows the pa in the 3rd word. Okay? Ganapa. That one goes up. So this way, this is the, full gamut of all the swaras, all the tones that you will encounter in the Vedic chanting. So when there is a line underneath, so we just take whatever voice we have as normal voice, Om or Om, whatever Shruti you take, Om, and then the Ga would be lower. Gananam, the Ga would be slightly lower than the normal, whatever your normal Shruti is, number 1. And then the Na, where there is no swaras at all, again is in the normal voice. And then the 2 vertical lines, they are called Swarita. So Anudatta, Udatta and Swarita. So the horizontal line underneath is called Anudatta. 1 single vertical line is called Udatta. And then 2 lines together, vertical lines are called, Swarita. Swarita means, it's like even in the Sahana Vavatu mantra it comes. Sahana Vavatu, Sahanau Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karavavahai. Tejasvina vadhitamastuma vidvishavahai, like that. So that if whatever the last vowel sound, it is dragged and it is on a higher tone. Okay? So, don't worry too much about it. Once you start chanting, it will become very clear. So I will chant once and you will chant twice after me. Om Ganana Antva
Om Ganana Antva Om Ganana Antva.
Yeah, the Tva doesn't go down, it's the normal voice, so we can't trail off there. Om Ganana Antva
Om Ganana Antva Om Ganana
Ganapatigam
Ganapatigam
Havamahe
Havamahe
Ganapatigam Havamahe
Ganapatigam Havamahe Ganapatigam Havamahe.
Yeah, so whenever there is anuswara and it is followed by a sibilant, it becomes gus, and if it's followed by certain other consonants, it becomes gum. So there is a lot of gumming and gussing in the Vedic chanting. Okay. Ganapati gum havamahe.
Ganapati gum havamahe. Ganapati gum havamahe.
Very good. Om Ganana Antva Ganapati gum havamahe.
Om Ganana Antva Ganapati gum havamahe. Om Ganana Antva Ganapati gum havamahe.
Kavin kavinam.
Kavin kavinam.
Kavin kavinam.
Kavin kavinam. Kavin kavinam.
Upamashravastamam. Upamashravastamam.
Upamashravastamam.
Shra goes up. Upamashravastamam.
Upamashravastamam.
U also goes up. Upamashravastamam.
Upamashravastamam. Upamashravastamam.
Kavin kavinam upamashravastamam.
Kavin kavinam upamashravastamam.
Yeah, the U did not go up, right? You can make out, right? Yeah. And then the Ka did not go down. Kavin kavinam upamashravastamam.
Kavin kavinam upamashravastamam.
Again. Kavin kavinam.
Kavin kavinam.
Upamashravastamam.
Upamashravastamam. Upamashravastamam.
Kavin kavinam upamashravastamam.
Kavin kavinam upamashravastamam. Kavin kavinam upamashravastamam.
Kavim kavinam upamashravastamam.
Kavin kavinam upamashravastamam.
Ah, sounding better. Kavim kavinam upamashravastamam. Kavim kavinam upamashravastamam. And also that long akara, we can't just truncate it. Two matras, so you have to, do the ucharana of that, Yeah. Kavin kavinam upamashravastamam.
Kavin kavinam upamashravastamam.
Is the U up or down? Yeah. Only the head goes up. The U is not going up. So, they say that it is not a good habit, even though it seems convenient. Even I too do it sometimes, because when I teach, I feel like, showing it. But what happens is that this is called adhama chanting, meaning not very good chanting, because you go like this. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya Namaste Rudramanyava Utota Ishape Namaha. So head will fall off, Yeah. So if you want to do neck exercise, there are many other ways. So while chanting, we imagine a screw, just tightened over here, straight above the neck. Okay? Yeah. Imagine that you're balancing a book. Like in those Victorian times, you had to go in this. What is this noise? Oh, okay. So we had to, in the Victorian times, you have to, balance this book and go like that. So imagine that the head is immovable. It's not movable at all. It's fixed in place. You just imagine that, and then we'll chant again. Okay? Yeah. Kavim kavinamupamasravastamam.
Kavim kavinamupamasravastamam.
Again. Kavim kavinamupamasravastamam. That kavinam, long. You can't just hurry over there. Kavim kavinamupamasravastamam. Kavim kavinamupamasravastamam. Kavim kavinamupamasravastamam. From the beginning, first line. Oh, I'm reading it online. So, Om Gananantva.
Om Gananantva.
Ganapatigam Havamahe.
Ganapatigam Havamahe.
Om Gananantva Ganapatigam Havamahe.
Om Gananantva Ganapatigam Havamahe.
Wonderful. Kavim kavinamupamasravastamam.
Kavim kavinamupamasravastamam.
Very nice. Now the next line has two lower swaras together. How do you chant that? For alankara purposes, you make the first one slightly lower than the second one. Jyeshtarajam.
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 I'm hearing people say Jyeshtarajam, it's Jyeshtha, J-Y, okay? Yeah. Jyeshtarajam.
Jyeshtarajam.
Jam has to go down, okay? Yeah. Jyeshtarajam.
Jyeshtarajam.
One more time.
Jyeshtarajam.
Brahmanam.
Brahmanam. Brahmanam.
Together. Brahmanam. Even though it's written Brahma, it is Brahma. Okay? That much we have to remember. The ha comes before ma, but it's pronounced the opposite way. Brahmanam.
Brahmanam.
Again.
Brahmanam.
Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam.
Jyeshtarajam. Brahmanam.
ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां
ब्रह्मणस्पत
ब्रह्मणस्पत
I'm not hearing the ha. Brahmanaspata, no. Brahmanaspata, Mahaprana. So some calories have to be expended. That's how all the chanting Ritviks, the priests, they can drink a cup full of ghee with every meal and still be okay. That is how you can do that. And so therefore, what we have to do, we have to just pronounce the hakara. So Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata
Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata.
Yeah, that Brahmanam was not articulated properly. What happened? Short, yeah. What is it? Short or long? Long. Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata
Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata.
One more time. Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata. One more time. Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashrinvan.
Anashrinvan.
Again.
Anashrinvan.
That dot, the visarga, which looks like a colon after the naha, naha shrinvan, that after that is followed by a shakara sibilant, and so it doubles there. Okay, sandhi rules. So anashrinvan, no, anashrinvan. Okay, anashrinvan.
Anashrinvan.
Again.
Anashrinvan.
Utibhisidasadanam.
Utibhisidasadanam.
Okay, no problem. Utibhisidasadanam.
Utibhisidasadanam. Utibhisidasadanam.
C is going down. C is not supposed to go down. Utibhisidasadanam.
Utibhisidasadanam.
Very good. Again. Utibhisidasadanam. Utibhisidasadanam. One more time. Utibhisidasadanam. See, the beauty in this is that there are two das. Sida and Sada. Correct? Sida. Actually, it is Asida. You know that Anashrinvan, that A has to be taken with here. Asida sadhanam. Yeah, Asida. That A is a Vedic, because of the Vedic meter, it has been separated, but usually you don't separate the prefix. So it is actually Asida, but doesn't matter. Here, so the one the goes up and the one the comes down. That is the beauty of it. Utibhisidasadanam. Utibhisidasadanam. Very nice. One more time.
Utibhisidasadanam.
Anashrinbandhotibhisidasadanam. Anashrinbandhotibhisidasadanam. Yeah, the R doesn't go down. Anashrinvannotibhis Siddha Sadhanam. Utibhis Siddha Sadhanam. Anashrinvan Utibhis Siddha Sadhanam. Anashrinvannotibhis Siddha Sadhanam. Utibhis Siddha Sadhanam. Something still difficult to chant it together. Anashrinvan, you are chanting wonderfully. Utibhis Siddha Sadhanam is flawless. But when you put them together, something happens. So, because it's a long thing, and it can't be separated. A small little thing to remember in the Vedic chanting is wherever there is a full stop, only there we can stop. That's why when you start studying how to chant Sri Rudram, the full stop will come after a whole paragraph. Yeah. Namo Bhavagacha Rudragacha Namah Sharvagacha. Like this you keep on going, and then later on you just, quickly take a breath. That is how it is. So, therefore you cannot break it here. So therefore it has to be chanted together. Although I am breaking just for the sake of teaching, it is allowed. Okay? Anashrinvan Utibhis Siddha Sadhanam. Anashrinvannotibhis Siddha Sadhanam. Anashrinvannotibhis Siddha Sadhanam. Anashrinvannotibhis Siddha Sadhanam. Om Mahaganapataye Namaha. Om Mahaganapataye Namaha. One more time. Om Mahaganapataye Namaha. One more time.
Om Mahaganapataye Namaha.
Wonderful. One more time, the whole thing. Om Gananam Tva.
Om Gananam Tva.
Ganapatigam Havamahe.
Ganapatigam Havamahe.
Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam.
Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam.
Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam.
Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam.
Brahmanaspata.
Brahmanaspata.
Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam. Brahmanaspata.
Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam. Brahmanaspata.
Anashrinvannotibhis Siddha Sadhanam.
Anashrinvannotibhis Siddha Sadhanam.
Om Mahaganapataye Namaha.
Om Mahaganapataye Namaha.
Very good. Wonderful. Together. all of us will chant the whole thing together, okay? Om Ganana Antva Ganapatigam Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन् भूतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ महागणपतये नमः. Yeah, any questions after the Swarita? Should it be chanted as Swarita or Udatta? Yeah, the unmarked one is, just Udatta. Yeah. Yeah. Anything, any other, any questions? Yeah, people are having sore necks after going up. So, any other questions on this particular chant? Okay. So can I pick somebody to chant and see how you sound here? Yeah? Maybe? Okay. Vivian, would you like to try? Anybody would like to try? Can somebody volunteer? Somebody volunteer? This is all up to Bhagavan, but I will the idea is to grant you a microphone rights and then see how it goes. Okay, so let's, Nivedita has volunteered, so let's try this. We have to use the features of this particular thing. So enable microphone, and I'll also enable video and see what happens. So you also do whatever you need to there, and can you chant? Are you able to say something that so that we can hear? Don't chant in the beginning. Just say something.
Namaste.
Ah, wonderful! Very nice. We can hear you. Okay. So you want to have a go? You want me to chant the first line and you want to repeat?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'll chant the first line and then you repeat, okay? So then we can hear you and you can practice, and we can do that for anybody else who wants. This is very nice, I'm happy. Om Ganana Antva Ganapatigam Havamahe
Om Gananam Tva Ganapatigam Havamahe.
Wonderful. Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam.
Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam.
Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata
Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata
Anashrinvannotibhis Siddhasadanam.
Anashrinvannotibhis Siddhasadanam.
Yeah, Siddhasadanam. The is not Mahaprana. You are doing very well. Just a small correction. Anashrinvannotibhis Siddhasadanam.
Anashrinvannotibhis Siddhasadanam.
Om Mahaganapataye Namaha.
Om Mahaganapataye Namaha.
Wonderful. Only thing is last line, Om, there is a Ma there, and then Maha. So there is both the Ma's we have to, give equal treatment to. Okay. Om Mahaganapataye Namaha.
Om Mahaganapataye Ganapataye Namaha.
Fantastic. Thank you. Yeah, that was, that was difficult, yeah, to volunteer in front of 50 people, and I don't know who else is there on live stream, and to chant. That was wonderful. Very, very nice. And anybody else? Anybody else would like to volunteer? Now Varun wants to try and Sunita wants to try. Okay, one by one. Let's see, where is Varun here? I don't see you. Oh, there you are. Okay. All right, Varun, go for it. You want me to chant the first? First of all, can we hear you? Can you say something? Can you say something? Are you saying something? We are getting. No, we cannot. We cannot hear you at all. Audio is very bad. Audio is very bad, Varun. Audio is very bad. Yeah, audio is very bad, Varun. We'll have to try another time, okay? Yeah. Audio is so bad, it is sounding like static. Can't hear anything you say. In fact, it doesn't sound like you at all. Yeah, I thought it was somebody else. It doesn't sound one bit like you. You have such a wonderful voice, and I was in fact looking forward to hearing you. Yeah, so you please check the settings and you keep it ready. Next time we'll do that. And then Sunita, where is Sunita? Here. Okay, let's test the microphone and see if we can hear Sunita. Sunita, say something. We can't hear you, Sunita. Are you saying something? Okay, she's saying something. We can't hear you either. So you please check the settings on your microphone. Yeah, Nivedita had to do something. That's how she was able to be heard. And you check, everybody can check their settings. And for this particular class, for this particular class, you please check your settings, and then we'll have more of an ability to participate next time. Okay? Yeah. So now we will, having studied that, we will go to the first page. I'll tell you which page we'll go to. Having invoked the Lord of for the removal of obstacles, we will have a nice stotra, which I hope to, we will study the whole of it. If not today, we'll finish it next time. But I hope to finish it this time itself. We have plenty of time. Sharada Stotram, which is for the goddess Sharada. Today's handout, you please share with somebody. Or it's there in one of the books, prayer books. You can please take. It's in the prayer books. You see where the prayer books are? Yeah, take the prayer books. Yeah, not that one, another one. Orange color. Yeah, that will definitely have it. Yeah, that will have it. Yeah, Sharada Stotram. So this is for Sharada, the goddess of knowledge. Okay? Yeah, so we are going to chant this one very beautifully. And some of you may already know it as well. Om Namaste Sharade Devi.
Om Namaste
No, wait, let me try it again. Om Namaste Sharade Devi.
Om Namaste Sharade Devi.
Kashmira Puravasini.
Kashmira Puravasini.
Yeah, there is no tea break between Kashmira and Puravasini. Okay. Om Namaste Sharade Devi.
Om Namaste Sharade Devi.
Kashmira Puravasini.
Kashmira Puravasini.
Tvamaham prarthaye nityam.
Tvamaham prarthaye nityam.
Vidyadanam cha dehi me.
Vidyadanam cha dehi me.
One more time, the whole thing. Namaste Sharade Devi. Kashmira Puravasini. Namaste Sharade Devi. Kashmira Puravasini. Tvamaham prarthaye nityam. Vidyadanam cha dehi me.
Tvamaham prarthaye nityam. Vidyadanam cha dehi me.
Yeah, whole thing again by yourself.
Om Namaste Sharade Devi. Kashmira Puravasini. Tvamaham prarthaye nityam. Vidyadanam cha dehi me.
One more time.
Om Namaste Sharade Devi. Kashmira Puravasini. Tvamaham prarthaye nityam. Vidyadanam cha dehi me.
One more time.
Om Namaste Sharade Devi. Kashmira Puravasini. Tvamaham prarthaye nityam. Vidyadanam cha dehi me.
Ya Shraddha Dharana Medha.
Ya Shraddha Dharana Medha.
Vagdevi Vidhivallabha.
Vagdevi Vidhivallabha.
Something happened again. Vagdevi Vidhivallabha.
Vagdevi Vidhivallabha.
Ya Shraddha Dharana Medha.
Ya Shraddha Dharana Medha.
Vagdevi Vidhivallabha.
Vagdevi Vidhivallabha.
Bhakta Jihvagrasadana.
Bhakta Jihvagrasadana.
Shamadhi Gunadayini.
Shamadhi Gunadayini.
Shamadhi Gunadayini.
Shamadhi Gunadayini.
What is happening? Shamadhi, not Shamadhi. Shamadhi. Yeah. Shamadhi Gunadayini.
Shamadhi Gunadayini.
Yeah, whole thing again. Ya Shraddha Dharana Medha. Vagdevi Vidhivallabha.
Ya Shraddha Dharana Medha. Vagdevi Vidhivallabha.
Bhakta Jihvagrasadana. Shamadhi Gunadayini. भक्तजिह्वाग्रसदना शमाधिगुणदायिनी नमामि यामिनीं नाथ लेखालङ्कृतकुन्तलाम्
नमामि यामिनीं नाथ लेखालङ्कृतकुन्तलाम्
कुन्तलाम् नमामि यामिनीं नाथ लेखालङ्कृतकुन्तलाम्
नमामि यामिनीं नाथ लेखालङ्कृतकुन्तलाम्
कुन्तलं नो कुन्तलाम् नमामि यामिनीं नाथ लेखालङ्कृतकुन्तलाम्
नमामि यामिनीं नाथ लेखालङ्कृतकुन्तलाम्
भवानीं भवसन्तापनिर्वापणसुधानदीं भवानीं भवसन्तापनिर्वापणसुधानदीं भवानीं भवसन्तापनिर्वापणसुधानदीं
भवानीं भवसन्तापनिर्वापणसुधानदीं
निर्वापणसुधानदीं
निर्वापणसुधानदीं
together all from the beginning. नमामि यामिनीं नाथ लेखालङ्कृतकुन्तलाम् भवानीं भवसन्तापनिर्वापणसुधानदीं नमामि together
नमामि यामिनीं
नाथ लेखालङ्कृतकुन्तलाम् भवानीं भवसन्तापनिर्वापणसुधानदीं भद्रकाल्यै नमो नित्यम्
भद्रकाल्यै नमो नित्यम्
सरस्वत्यै नमो नमः
सरस्वत्यै नमो नमः
भद्रकाल्यै नमो नित्यं सरस्वत्यै नमो नमः
भद्रकाल्यै नमो नित्यं सरस्वत्यै नमो नमः
वेदवेदाङ्गवेदान्तविद्यास्थानेभ्य एव च वेदवेदाङ्गवेदान्तविद्यास्थानेभ्य एव च one more time the last line वेदवेदाङ्गवेदान्तविद्यास्थानेभ्य एव च. In the last two verses there is no possibility of stopping in the second line and even in the first line in the verse number 3 because of the way the words are put together, so we have to chant all at once. Okay, Veda Vedanga Vedanta Vidya Sthanebhya Eva Cha. So the whole thing together. Bhadrakalyai namo nityam saraswatyai namo namaha. Veda Vedanga Vedanta Vidya Sthanebhya Eva Cha. Bhadrakalyai namo nityam saraswatyai namo namaha. Veda Vedanga Vedanta Vidya Sthanebhya Eva Cha. Brahmasvarupa Parama ब्रह्मस्वरूपा परमा ज्योतिरूपा सनातनी ज्योतिरूपा सनातनी ज्योतिरूपा सनातनी
ज्योतिरूपा सनातनी.
That long we have to do justice to that. ज्योतिरूपा सनातनी
ज्योतिरूपा सनातनी.
सर्वविद्याधिदेवीया
सर्वविद्याधिदेवीया
तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः
तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः.
सर्वविद्याधिदेवीया
सर्वविद्याधिदेवीया
तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः
तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः.
together ब्रह्मस्वरूपा परमा ज्योतिरूपा सनातनी सर्वविद्याधिदेवीया तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः. One more time. ब्रह्मस्वरूपा परमा ज्योतिरूपा सनातनी सर्वविद्याधिदेवीया तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः. यया विना जगत्सर्वं
यया विना जगत्सर्वं
शश्वज्जीवन्मृतं भवेत्
शश्वज्जीवन्मृतं भवेत्.
यया विना जगत्सर्वं
यया विना जगत्सर्वं
शश्वज्जीवन्मृतं भवेत्
शश्वज्जीवन्मृतं भवेत्.
ज्ञानाधिदेवीया तस्यै
ज्ञानाधिदेवीया तस्यै
सरस्वत्यै नमो नमः
सरस्वत्यै नमो नमः.
Together. यया विना जगत्सर्वं शश्वज्जीवन्मृतं भवेत् ज्ञानाधिदेवीया तस्यै सरस्वत्यै नमो नमः. यया विना जगत्सर्वं why only I am chanting by myself? Did you think we were doing the next line? Okay, that's why. Yeah. So together, still we are doing this one only. Yeah. Yaya vina jagat sarvam shashvat jivan mritam bhavet jnanadhideviya tasyai saraswatyai namo namaha. Yaya vina jagat sarvam
यया विना जगत् सर्वं
मूकमुन्मत्तवत् सदा
मूकमुन्मत्तवत् सदा
मूकम् उन्मत्तवत् सदा
उन्मत्तवत् सदा
मूकमुन्मत्तवत् सदा
मूकमुन्मत्तवत् सदा.
यया विना जगत् सर्वं
यया विना जगत् सर्वं
मूकमुन्मत्तवत् सदा
मूकमुन्मत्तवत् सदा.
या देवी वागधिष्ठात्री
या देवी वागधिष्ठात्री
तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः.
तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः.
या देवी वागधिष्ठात्री
या देवी वागधिष्ठात्री
तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः
तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः
together last lines यया विना जगत् सर्वं मोकमुन्मत्तवत्सदा या देवी वागधिष्ठात्री तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः यया विना जगत् सर्वं मोकमुन्मत्तवत्सदा या देवी वागधिष्ठात्री तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः. From the beginning together. नमस्ते शारदे देवी काश्मीरपुरवासिनी त्वामहं प्रार्थये नित्यं विद्यादानं च देहि मे या श्रद्धा धारणा मेधा वाग्देवी विधिवल्लभा भक्तजिह्वाग्रसदना क्षमादिगुणदायिनी नमामि यामिनीं नाथलेखालङ्कृतकुन्तलां भवानीं भवसन्तापनिर्वापणसुधानदीं भद्रकाल्यै नमो नित्यं सरस्वत्यै नमो नमः वेदाङ्गवेदान्तविद्या स्थानेभ्य एव च ब्रह्मस्वरूपा परमा ज्योतिरूपा सनातनी सर्वविद्याधिदेवी या तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः यया विना जगत् सर्वं शश्वज्जीवन्मृतं भवेत् ज्ञानाधिदेवी या तस्यै सरस्वत्यै नमो नमः यया विना जगत् सर्वं मूकमुन्मत्तवत्सदा या देवी वागधिष्ठात्री तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ. So homework, practice what we have learnt and then figure out your computer settings. So we can hear more from all of you, especially on this classroom we have that whatever. So figure out whatever that you need to do in order to get the settings next time. Okay? Yeah. All right. That was fun. We had lot of fun. Wonderful. Okay. All the best. Om Namah Shivaya. Oh, that is so nice, Sunita. You please give her my namaskars and please give her my love. Yeah, you know her? Is she in Bangalore right now? Yeah, Faith, it is very nice. It's all coming back, isn't it? Yeah, she's in Dharwad. Yeah, next time you see her or you email her, you please give her my namaste and send her my love, okay? Yeah. Oh, wonderful. Very nice. I'm so happy. Yes, Varun, next time I'll hear from you, okay? All right.